Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yomi Adu, as you all know. I'm the CEO of Aero Travels and Tours. Talk about travels, talk about tours within the continent of Africa. Somebody was asking me yesterday, what is the difference between travels and tours? Let me just quickly explain it in simple terms. Number one, when you're talking about traveling, it means you want to relocate from one community or one uh, country or continent to another one. That is travel. Okay, but if it is a tour, there are different kinds of tours. We have tours for pleasure, we have medical tours, and so on and so forth. So if it is tours, it simply means you are going to an area of which you will return later to your base. That is just the simple difference between travel and tour. So I talk about travel within Africa. That is why when you hear me talk about relocating to Kenya, relocating to Botswana, that is travel. But when I talk about going from Sierra Leone to Guinea and going back to Sierra Leone, that is tough. So you understand? So that is what I do. I talk about the geography of Africa. I talk about things that you need to know about Africa. I talk about Africans as well. So if you are seeing it for the first time, I would like you to be part of this community by clicking on the subscription button, and also remember to click on the it is called notification bell, so that anytime I drop my video, YouTube is going to show it to you first. Now, in the video today, I want to talk about people who are Kenyans or those who live in Kenya. If you are a Kenyan, this video is for you. Or if you live in Kenya, you are not a Kenyan, this video is also for you. Or let me say, if you have a friend who is a Kenyan, you can share this video with him. You are going to be doing that person a good, you will be doing the person a favor, you understand, by sharing this video with him or with her. I want to talk about skills that Kenyans need to learn 2026. Of course, when you learn a skill or a trade, you are learning to make money. So any skill you are learning will eventually lead you into making money. So if you are a Kenyan, said, or you live in Kenya, you need this video. So I'll be talking about 7 skills or 7 things you can do in Kenya in 2026 to give you money. The first one is driving. Driving. It sounds simple, but let me tell you, it is not simple. If you don't know how to drive and you live in Kenya or you are a Kenyan, please learn how to drive. Do you know the reason why I'm saying that? The transportation system in Kenya is always on a high demand. It is always on a high demand. That is why in Kenya today, there are a lot of women who are into Uber driving, public driving than men. So that is to tell you, if women can be making a lot of money from driving or through driving, you that is a man, you should be able to make much more money. So take note of that one. That is number one. I call that one driving. Learn it. It is a skill. It is a skill. There are a lot of people, I live in Kenya. There are a lot of people who are not doing nothing. They are not doing anything in Kenya. Let me tell you, instead of going up and down in Kenya, why not take driving as a course or as a career in life? Learn how to drive if you don't know how to do so. Then you will be open to making money. 6. That is number one. Number two is blogging or vlogging. Now, in 2025, the African country, out of the 54 African countries that we have, Kenya is number one, or Kenya was number one in 2025. The highest number, the highest country where internet was used in Africa. I was thinking it's going to be Nigeria or South Africa. Lo and behold, it was Kenya, meaning that a lot of people are using the internet in Kenya. And we all know that the internet is an avenue where people make a lot of money. So if you have not been doing that, you live in Kenya or you are a Kenyan, you can go into blogging. It is very, very easy. Vlogging, you can decide to show your lifestyle. That is a kind of vlogging, you understand. You can decide to use your passion. Maybe you have passion for, let's say, sports. If you have passion for sports, you can make money from sport. Look at AFCON 2026 just ended last Sunday. Now, those who are bloggers and their major is sports, they made a lot of money through that way because people will want updates and you'll be giving them updates. You understand? So, blogging is very, very good if you live in Kenya. And thank God they have steady supply of electricity as well. You understand? They have steady supply of electricity. So it will really, really help your blogging life. Number three is teaching. Teaching. Okay, by the way, before I go so much into number three, if you need assistance when it comes to vlogging, especially YouTube vlogging, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I can guide you, I can give you a tutorial. Of course, it's not going to be free. I will charge you just a token fee. I will take you how to run it from nothing to something. You understand? So number three, as I said, is teaching. Yeah. Are you a teacher or you have one skill or the other and you feel this skill, you know how to impart knowledge? Why not take it online? You can sit down in Kenya and be teaching some children in England and be teaching some children in Canada. So why not try that? You have skills when it comes to economics. You have skills when it comes to mathematics. You know how to impart knowledge of mathematics, English, and the rest. Do you know that there are a lot of people who are looking for English teachers in China, in Japan, in South Korea? These are countries where their official language is not English, but they love English. They want to speak English. Even in France, a lot of people want to speak English. So if you are, let's say, an English teacher, you can impart this knowledge through internet. If you don't know how to go about it, you can reach out to me. I will give you a guide. That is number three. Number four is tour guiding. You can decide to be a certified tour guide. That is my own business. I am into travel and tour, so I can give you a tutorial. I can even give you a certificate to operate. You will be a tour guide. So if that is what you need, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I will surely get back to you. So, being a tour guide is something that is good. Do you know the number of tourists that come into Kenya every year? Over 3 million. Over 3 million tourists visit Kenya, visit Kenya every year. So let's assume that somebody is coming from Germany to Kenya. Maybe they're just coming for 7 days, they're just coming for a weekend, they're coming for 2 weeks. You can be their tour guide. I will teach you, I will guide you on what to do. And by the time you start guiding them, you will make a lot of money before they go back. So tour guiding, that is number four. Number five is what I call Airbnb operation. Here in Kenya, we make use of Airbnb. That is a furnished apartment. A lot, a lot. So somebody might be on tour of Kenya, let's say for 1 month. You don't expect that person to go and rent a house. No. The person needs a furnished apartment, otherwise known as Airbnb. So the person can be there for 1 month. So if you are an operator of Airbnb, you make a lot of money. So maybe you are watching my video from Europe or anywhere and you want to visit Kenya for 1 month, for 1 week, for whatever number of days you want to spend, and you don't know where to lodge, where to stay. It might be you and your family. You don't know where to stay. Reach out to me. I will properly guide you. I will provide for you a place that can accommodate you and your family members. Even if you are coming as a team, you understand. Maybe you are on executive tour. like companies sending 10 people for whatever, in Kenya, you can reach out to me. I will surely guide you. So that is Airbnb operation. It is a skill that you can learn to make money. Number 6 is selling digital and physical travel products. In my previous videos, I did a special video on physical travel products, what they are, you understand? So also digital travel products, I did what they are, I showed everything. So you can watch the catalog of my videos, especially the ones on physical travel products and digital travel products. I explained this in total. I explained it very well. So you can be a vendor of both physical and digital travel products. It's a way of making money. Don't forget I said that a lot of tourists visit Kenya every year. Last year, over 3 million visited Kenya. You understand? And I'm quite sure that this year, the number is going to be on an increase. So take note of that. Then, last but not the least, is what I call organizing boot camps. Organizing boot camps. If you are seeing me and you are not subscribed, please support what I do by subscribing to this channel. So also you can share it with your family members. So organizing boot camps. You know what a boot camp is. It may be for your church members, it may be for teenagers, it may be for a group of people. You camp them in the safe place, maybe for a weekend, maybe for 3 days, maybe for 4 days, and you will give them necessary teachings. You will teach them. That is what boot camp is all about. People are leaving West Africa. They are going for lectures in Kenya. What you know is what you know. What you don't know, you don't know. Yes, I am telling you authoritatively that a lot of people visit Kenya for boot camp. So you can be an organizer of boot camps in Kenya. Have suitable place, let people know what you are doing, and I tell you, a lot of people, teenagers especially, young adults, they will visit you to enjoy the facility you are going to provide. So these are the 7 skills you should learn if you're a Kenyan or somebody who is living in Kenya to make more money. Yes, I know you are making money right now, or you want to make more. So learn any of these 7 skills. I tell you, you will smile to the bank every time. Till I come your way again with another cool video like this, I remain ever sincerely yours, Yomi